Simple steps to getting started with email marketing. Don't send emails to people who don't want to receive them. If a customer really doesn't want emails from you, you could lose business. Here are some ideas to help you make sure that you only send emails to the people who want to receive it. Be persistent with your email marketing messages. It can take as many as 20 emails to one prospect before you routinely have their attention. Try telling a good story through your messages. Hook them with a few messages and let it unfold over a series. Running contests that span several weeks are a good way to do this. Do not use $signs in either the subject or the body of your emails, unless you are using just one to denote a specific amount of currency. This will strike many recipients as being spam behavior, and many spam filters will automatically trash emails that include character strings like $. Consistency is important. Keep your company's logo and the colors and style you use the same in every email. The font you choose should be something that everyone can clearly see. People will eventually recognize your layout and know right away that you are the sender. Familiarity is extremely important in any business, especially email marketing. Color is important, even when it comes to email. Your email messages should have a consistent color scheme that is both professional and easy to read. This is especially important once you start designing more advanced, HTML-rich messages. If you are unsure about making your own selections, a little internet research can point you towards excellent color schemes. Pay attention to the demographics within your subscriber base. See what content and links intrigued a particular segment of your audience, and then follow up with a new email to that subgroup. The boost in your response rate from peeling away the top layer will really surprise you, but in a delightful way. Use the right font for the right message. Your font should be indicative of your style and email message, and not convey a message that you don't wish to send. Choose one that is simple and popular, rather than one that you think is really cool, but not everyone may have. Clearly, it is critical that you send messages only to those interested in receiving them. With a little effort, you can put your marketing materials into the hands of potential customers who will really appreciate them. Make use of this video's suggestions, and start experiencing the great benefits available through a savvy email marketing campaign. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.